actually visa ko dala mango clear back, because ning na management or relationship settle with the German embassy yala ne ni manke first the second or third time thing kataje, so they've been very very supportive yala ne, and they actually your requirement all mean beke, like nga management also settle ko mini yala call fana na do ko multi up and down to try to make sure everything is available at disposal when it comes to documentation and other necessary things all mul nyanta kaminul provide, so visa ko man na ke problem ti among kolea, everything went very smooth, more big, like visa also to, alhamdulillah,
Yeah, well, it's a great thing, like ankajele come most of the time Gambia, come visa ko ka ke problem multi come adisol ni lafta ka fundi jam. It's good that for now you guys are engaging the embassies to make it easier for everybody right now, for the industry to go smoothly.
Definitely.
For people to travel and just go and showcase their talent and come back. Definitely. So the other thing is like Nia Jube like funding kel mulbijang like Moboy, Musa, Samiti, Bled, and the whole team will be come. It's a young generation. Molka jele artisol ni kabonang Africa, ikata Europe. You talk about Yusundur, you talk about Jaliba, they always take these elderly people, like Ikebayatale, experience totally. Especially, let's talk about Summer Jam. Summer Jam is not a little boy so or any new order, instrumentalist, Yasambana or crowd. So, what was your confidence? What was your like? Mune convinced for Boyol Bar, guy be satisfied leaving all those big instrumentalists in Gambia.
Yeah, like prior to the time na album launching, nala dua, nga live band keje ning keba telo, anala mole, and Musa aning Samiti, they were part of the band already. It's not like ning opportunity natale I had to choose Mbenyene Sambala or Mbenyene Sambala. Whereas Moboy was part of the band also, na album launching too. So, like I've worked with them before ning opportunity now. So ni opportunity natanang, then it's easy, puru near travel since we already started working, at band level also.
Yeah, that's a nice one, Moboy. Mole ajele like bring Altata. Almamol Malundino, Gambian over Happy Tale. So saying come imagine like ST Gambian Dream, like bring a approach Akoyoko Abesa Mala Somajam. How was the reaction? Yeah,
I was so happy, to have an opportunity like that, to be going to Somajam with like ST, so yeah, I'm content about it,
and first reaction of Kabira Koyoko, bro. How was it that day? What day filter nyadile?
Yeah, actually, what day? The first day, I like he gave me some gifs like that I got a gift like come from him.
Okay,
yeah. So I've been dropped and then Morocco, and then he told me, so I was like, I was so happy to be part of it, because he's a legend. So just going with a legend, traveling with a legend is something, so I'm so happy.
Yeah, more come like Gambia, it come like if you are an upcoming producer like you, behind the scenes, you be like cool. Sometimes pour travel from you can create a knowledge ka but a experience because you sort of time create Europe perform stage it's a big experience for you.
Yeah.
So in a dream come like so soon like 2025 it better come like this so soon.
Because I come hope come as a musician at my level play play anytime opportunities in for me to travel because this is it. I was supposed to travel with Jaliba last year for a 2 year, but it was not possible. So this year, then God make it possible for me to.
Yeah. Samiti, mole ajele like ila confidence. Yeah, it on the stage can never pare alo. Ila performance was really great. So let's discuss about the preparation. Covering STR for you. How was the reaction like? How was the impression from you? Like, yeah, feeling like.
Yeah, I was happy like Gambia legend ko coming ko ngara bantanga Gambia represent ngajal ko mi wala nyanda ke andum fanang sita la fanang ngala ko nga prepare ken ko coming ko nga make sure nintara I found so make happy and I kere wal nyama
so e mi reste yo ni nale comme sama jam comme like sama jam
as far as when legend of the Abasilo Frafaragan, Sila.
Like now, in Tata Dinding, late Tata Dinding, Alama Nemalin Kafar Kalai. So I'll tell like a Dugo Kenunga.
Yeah, I was playing with Tata Dinding 5 years.
Okay. Okay, both of you are?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Nga jele experience nyimbi jele, you know. So you made a connect. So like nga jele fanang come like bring albeje. You guys were like roaming about. So bring it out. Ila first impression bring Brunang Gambia. Idunda Germany. First time in Germany. So how was it like? You comparing it to Gambia, like you know, coming from home.
Germany different work. After me, you know, I go to the still. Suma level with the national coming back Germany is different.
Mashallah. Boy, blood. Boy, na boy, blood in the building. Blood, mole ajele like any estimate ka do kele. Meta ka tamale. Nakatama aning DJ doing aning stone killer aning stone killer meta katamale ikela cool ke ka sena so ngalo ne behind the scenes you know molka fo ne koto ke be use kan ne ate sambala you know 10 so what mune convince pour ni STA taranyola comme ya believe comme yela time bottom comme like sama jam sita ay samba.
Yeah, it's just like coming Yepuji life on things on time, you know. Being stone in SD Kataman, I just feel happy about it, you know, because Nkapos lefang for dol California boy, fete buka jealous boy, man na office boy, iti ibuka fenke boy. Fete buka ita left Katama boy. But by then tatale coming it's just like it's normal thing, you know, it's things on time. Ntenga stone tarajele. Na ST ni stone tarabe do wala. By then ST Mantelong, I just used to come up to his show, jump up and play. So after that ST fall not I recognized by himself.
Yeah. You know,
ST
like he is very he is very dedicated to performing, to backing me up before, because Stone mun official DJ, you know, and that was it. Bullet all the time I can call hello bro, nyadi long but ngana ngi back, no ntenga DJ already. Some other time, but nyadi lang jana so bilon jelo okay nyadi long ngani back, nkai no but ntenga DJ already, you know, every so ni wala kata, you know, so that happened for a long time. Janding at the form in akala backup DJ team malam fe compile. So then after on natata officially like a backup DJ team, and you know like since then you know we've been you know
managing working. Yeah. Thank you so much on giving him the chance and you know
of course
to portray his talent. Talent you know portray you know because Stefan ngalon junale you know bring along you know and ENC you know you've been working with ENC our Gambia, so like the loyalty has been there and the love for Gambian music also has been there. No blood also like he's that kind of person. Among he's not kind of that selfish guy, you know. Overlap opuntale. Always ni naka chat aka fanyo logo boy kana wori STI ba soto la podcast ole atray rek boy ya link boy chief link boy gal ka busy le bot.
No, but ni ade man na jam because him more link.
No.
Listen,
I've been linking you for many times, bro.
But
at Sedikan's restaurant, we've been meeting like for several times, like.
Ila podcast.
Yeah, man.
What was the discussion about? Nkamune for.
Hello,
Well, because listen. Let me tell you. Listen, maybe you have a discussion or something like that. You know, me along come remember, Barry. I have a whole lot of respect for you.
Yeah.
For Galile, you bring that in Soto backstage, ma access dealer. You remember?
The access didn't phone.
Yeah, but you over stressed and jail.
No, I understand.
Because you are one person, me along among your concatanula, onka nyo call onka chat lebari. You know, Nielo musical from long time, production cool track. So it's been a long journey, you know, getting here. No,
like you know, me personally, I respect protocols. The thing is, like, I've contacted Sedikan. Any Sedikan close to bring up contact. I can go like talk to chief. Bring the different diameter. I can go talk to chief. So, chief diameter, but chief set up an interview for me. But then, what time I to be busy in them? What time we were recording your album. So
Okay, yeah.
you could not make it to that time because you're busy recording album and doing your videos.
Exactly.
So we could not, even before the launching, we're supposed to have you to prepare for the launching, but we could not.
No. New for the launching time, things will go over tightly. But you know, like Canela platform or bro, I would more than love to support. Recording for real. Exactly for this. So, with people like that, you know, it's not like Yakumase Bile. You was there from saying for 8 years ago, or maybe 10 from now. So it's a long journey. Malam, people like that, you don't. You know,
Respect to ST Brikama Boyo in the building. El Capitano, international local. Adiamutale, by Moose. Boy, come like in Kebama. Fake a malala.
Dingola mi dingola ya like kamali dingola kantai ka ngoma ka feel but ya ba kulli de
but most boya boy wolum boya malum fali arias le bang for ya magically kele bang but you are talk of the town boy you told it so boy bro no keba ma yala kol kele ndebina keba ma la kol total level dole de ha
dundi la page.
No, trust me, you stole this so man.
Definitely.
For real man. Keba boy bring away perform kan they say a dancing move ST mun kya ST ne ma woke kuiside ani start. Malo ko pasole wojele. Wolu ST
ina kella tantang la boy. You know ela kella tantang mo nyar nyamen.
Akata ten na eta ten. Ay na ten.
so ala dong explain yo nyama
mantap ikatantang ikakumandiro men ikatantang la olen sama nyola you know.
Yeah, nice but most ngajere ni keba ma ala kol dum tanyo konale and you've been dreaming to work with him for so many projects because last time from bringing out an Njanga Mola Kacha I was really praying for you to get to that level malam for understand Mola Kacha for because ikajele Gambia mulka instrument play come I'll tell you people that are playing live band that are doing live music they hardly get that support. They hardly get that notice from the promoters and the audience. And you people are the people that supposed to push the music to that level. And collectively with the artists, the vocalists, you can make things happen for the artists. Malam, understand. So how did you feel working with ST? And if you have any one word to say to Brikama Boyo,
it's been a pleasure working with Brikama Boyo. Come here for Nyami. It has always been a dream to work with him, you understand? Because near GB, like, so I got a cool start time, and come they start coming now. We collabo for the Buluwato back in like 2014. I can remember not that phone call if Bula Praia, Diama Praia, and Prunga for the collabo. That was around 2014. I don't know if you can remember that. 2014.
Ulungo bri probably call na diamuta wala for nya kwenye na alliance even though I cannot remember that but
and that's so that was around 2012 not that over no more priya and ST for ST in na so like because some you remember na so ngodi so that was around 2012 you understand not that over no more from priya ST come on and so you can because still a former manager D-Jobs is my cousin, you understand? So not that name D-Jobs, they were linking Purka ST come on and finally another, you understand? So it has always been a dream to work with him, you understand? And it's a pleasure working with him, you understand? And then come here for coming, what word do I have to tell him? That is to thank him so much for giving off this platform, you understand? Come first of all, hana man kenying platform from some jamti coming collabo from the mall dama with something else, you understand? Because near GB come yendal mera na ko bar mol fana bi jimulan ko wala fana gena meter na ko ela ko lantel ti denkilo kono ma fa musigo kono but denkilo kono maybe they have been wishing to have him imaso non then so they understand yalla is something I'm forever grateful for that. You understand? Yeah, definitely.
Yo.
Yeah, ST sounds good, man. Like the brotherhood is growing. ST, like how far do you want to take this brotherhood, like the whole movement? Because I can see that it has started and the love is growing and everything. People are loving everything that is going. Like Gambians are even really proud of what you did, because for the first time, like taking a whole team to Europe and coming back so fast like that, come like in less than 2 weeks, Alialla Doko get fat, Aliya Sainang, Alman CJ Kavoko, Ambatuna Europe enjoy.
Well, like Kaya Fanyamina, you'll be Muna brothers will let personally, I feel like, be stage into Gambian music, like Nimili I start Nyola, you cannot count 3 people be active ring still.
Mashallah.
Yeah. So my position on Minto, is I just wanna support young Gambian artists also, because at the end of the day, it's not about Natalie album or launch stadium, Mulfate, Tata Kiusile, AJ Fandi, Tata Laltore. There's nothing to prove.
Yeah, that's been the discourse.
So yeah, exactly. So it's not just about rising; it's about uplifting others as well. So at this level, bro, I wanna be able to give back to Gam music at large. Support all those that I want to support. Kunumbe interview la lemba for Kangale. It's not even this table discussion right now. Like Nina management, we have had discussions. Every other travel Ming Kananang fix, we have to take 1 or 2 Gambian artists. Travel.
Wow.
So we can create opportunities
for
everybody else. Yeah, you remember brothers nga collabo di ñen for last year, nga collabo di ñen last year, Rudy G nga collabo di from 2 years to now nga collabo di over 15 Gambian artists.
Mashallah, yeah, we've been seeing.
Exactly, so ketala ko yalla ne comme at this level dal like ni travel natanang, and we are working on situating our own band also me along come players sort of like on the regular better and stuff like that, but like at this level, bro, like I just want to be able to give back to Gambian artists at large, bro. It's not about an individual, trust me. Yeah, exactly, because more level and right now, you have to be able to like say, okay, STI ninkala, but panang ay jumale uplify jumale makoy yala so nga laftalo fanay taran na cool kono dal there is nothing more better than, there's no feeling better than yala ne ning artist o jakata superstar you go nganin support len nganin support le because imu kalong what the future holds, imu kalong jumale bita level do to soma o sininding malam fe kam file. So I'm there for every Gambian artist ni yalang ko need na support la in one way or the other. If I can give it, I will give it. Niminu mang collabo fanan soto ne ya understand everything be mu kakeno at the same time. Dol bi je ni collabo for like 2 years ago amanta ke for this year la keta. Dol bi je 4 years ago nga collabo kaya man ke for last year ne so na abete kala no sinya killing, so na man ke bi kunu nga man ke bi so ma be kala but Gambian artists be mu killing net we ndola nyanta forces join na nga new support dal